Good morning. Today we are going to learn responsibilities of business organization towards society, towards community or the public in general. Business is a part of society and therefore it has some responsibilities towards the society. Now, what are those responsibilities which the business organization has towards the society or the community or the public in general? The first one is protection of environment. Now, what is environment? Environment means the surrounding in which a person or animal or plant live. So it is the responsibility of the business organization to protect the environment rather than to harm. We have many problems like pollution, population, poverty, unemployment. One of the major problem is pollution. Air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution because of these industries. So business organization should see to it that it takes maximum effort to reduce these pollutions. The gases or the chemicals which are emitted from the industries should be channelized in a proper direction rather than sending it rather than dumping it in a water. So business, it is the business organization which should take effort to minimize this air pollution or the water pollutions or the noise pollutions. The next is better and maximum use of resources. Now we all know that the resources which we use, that is the raw materials or the land or the water, the air, these are scarce in nature. These are limited in nature. And what will happen if these scarce resources are wasted? Chances are there that in future we won't get these resources. So it is the responsibility of the business organization to make optimum use of the resources, and at the same time it has to avoid wastage of the resources. So the resources should be used economically, efficiently. The next third point is reservation for weaker section. Business organization, it is expected to reserve certain positions in their establishment for the weaker sections in the society to uplift the weaker sections of the society. So when there are certain positions which are specifically reserved for the weaker sections, there will be an improvement or increase in the standard of living, because they'll get an employment opportunity by which these sections can be uplifted. And whenever required, business should provide financial or other help to these weaker sections. The next is no participation in antisocial activities. Now, what are the antisocial activities? The activities which are performed by the business organization against the society, which are harmful for the society. That is smuggling, association with any underworld people, bribing the government people. So these type of antisocial activities, it should be avoided. It is the business organization who has to take a step forward, come forward to stop all these antisocial activities. then only our country will be a progress country. So business organizations should refrain themselves by involving in any antisocial activities, because it will finally affect the society. Whenever required, financial help should be provided for the society for good cause. The next is development of backward regions. Business organization should be started in a backward areas. When the business organization are started or operated in a backward areas, it will create employment opportunities. The purchasing power of the people will increase, and finally it will help in the development of the backward areas. So that is why the society expect the business organization to start their establishment in the backward areas. So it will benefit both the business and the areas or the region where it is started. So finally it will benefit the society. The next is financial assistance, that is financial help. The society expects some donations or financial assistance from the business organizations for various causes, that is for eradicating poverty, illiteracy, etc. You must have seen various campaigns organized, that is free health checkup, eye checkups, full body checkup, education for free for girls. So business organization should step forward, come up with these ideas. They should provide financial assistance, and they should organize various campaigns which will create awareness among the people. The next is location of the industries. So the industries should be located far from the residential areas. So preferably industries should be located in industrial zones. That is, it should be far from the people, the residential areas where you'll find lot of people staying there. And business should be spread at different places. So this avoids congestions, means overcrowding of industries should not be there. Industries should be spread at different locations and different places. The next is employment generation. So we all know that when there is one businessman, business in industry, or the organization started, it creates large number of employment opportunities, right? So business organization, it should provide large number of employment opportunities, and that too for all the sections of the society. For this purpose, business should focus on expansion and diversification program. So when the business organization, it creates large number of employment opportunities, it helps to solve various problems, that is unemployment problem, then poverty, etc. And this finally benefit the society at a large. So today we have learned the responsibilities towards the society, towards the community, and the public in general.